Okay. Yeah, go on and sit on your whiteboard. That way it's not a distraction. Okay, and you can put your marker in your lap. Okay, there you go. All right. Today, we are going to do some review of some sounds that we've already worked on. Okay, let's talk about these sounds. These sounds are going to be on a red card today. So why are they on a red card? Somebody explain. Thank you for raising your hand. Anthony, why are they on a red card? They are consonant sounds. And let's talk about the sound bar underneath the sound. What does the sound bar tell us? What does the sound bar tell us? Jake? It tells us that it's not used a lot. Well, this is showing it's not used a lot. But any sound bar under any sound is going to tell us what? Ireland? How much it's used in the English language. So let's go over these sounds. We've already been over them once, but we're reviewing them again today. Remember, they are double consonant sounds, okay? So, g, 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 egg, egg, stuff, stuff, o, bell, bell, hiccup, hiccup, duh, add, very good, rubbing, black. What did we talk about this sound? What does it come after? Ooh, who remembers? We did several examples last week. Kenzie? It comes before the short vowel. Not before, but after a short vowel sound. Very good. What do you notice about all of these sounds? Where do they come in the word? They come at the where? The beginning, the middle, or the end? Jordy?
It always comes in the end.
The end. The double letters are going to come at the end, sometimes the middle. We're going to talk about that today, okay? All right, good job, guys. All right, today we're going to talk about syllables. Words can be broken into chunks called syllables. How many of you have ever talked about syllables before, maybe in kindergarten or first grade? Yes. A syllable has one and only one vowel sound. So how many vowel sounds is in a syllable? Show me with your fingers. One. Only one vowel sound in a syllable. This means a word has as many syllables as it has vowels. For example, a word with one vowel sound is only going to have how many syllables? One vowel sound, how many syllables? One. Very good. If a word has two vowel sounds, how many syllables is it going to have? Very good. Thank you for not blurting out loud and showing me with your fingers. Today, we're going to work on 2-syllable words, and I have several up here that we are going to practice. All right, so let's do the first one together. Sound this out with me. B-A-S-K-E-T. What word is that? Basket. Very good. How many vowel sounds do we hear? Show me with your fingers. How many vowel sounds do we hear? Very good. So let's make a prediction. How many syllables do you think basket is going to have? 2. Let's see. Let's clap it out. You ready? Basket. How many syllables? 2. Very good. All right, let's look at the next word. At-ish. Catfish. How many vowel sounds is in catfish? 2. So how many syllables do you believe catfish is going to have? Very good. Let's clap it out and see. Ready? Catfish. Sorry, guys. All right, let's do the next one. Can we read this one? Do we need to sound it out? Let's see if we can read it. Ready? Himself. Very good. How many vowel sounds are in himself? 2. So how many syllables do you think there's going to be? Let's test it out. You ready? Himself. Very good. All right. Let's do the next one. Suntan. Ooh, let's say that a little louder. Ready? Suntan. Very good. How many vowel sounds are in suntan? So how many syllables do you think we're going to have? All right, let's test it out. You ready? Sun, tan. Very good. Dust pan. Clap it out. Or, sorry, how many vowel sounds are in dust pan? So how many syllables do you think we're going to have? I want you to turn to your partner and test it out. Make sure we have 2 syllables in dust pan. Oh, cover your mouth. Can you clap it out if you need to? Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus. Let's see here. 13. Who is 13? Ireland. How many syllables are in dustpan? 2. Very good. All right. Read it with me. Bandit. Sorry, guys. How many vowel sounds are in bandit? So how many syllables? Test it out with your partner. Test it out. Kagan, who's your partner, bud? Who's your partner? Are you with those 3? Hey, make sure y'all include Kagan, okay? Okay. All right. How many syllables are in bandit? 2. Very good. All right, we're going to do one more for time's sake, okay? Let's do one more. Are you ready? Picnic. Picnic. How many vowel sounds? 2. And how many syllables do you think we're going to have? 2. All right, very good. All right, I know I said we're going to do one more. I want you to do number 8. I want you to read that in your head. And I want you to think how many vowel sounds, how many syllables. I'm going to give you some think time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kinsley, what's that word?
Upset.
Upset. Very good. Kinsley, when you were thinking, how many vowel sounds are in upset?
2.
And how many syllables?
2.
How many of you agree with her? Does anybody disagree with Kinsley? You disagree? Okay. Jordavian, why do you disagree with upset?
Because it's somebody. Because if somebody because it's somebody. It's somebody crying.
It is somebody crying, you're right. But Jordavian, how many vowel sounds do we have in upset?
2.
2. So how many syllables are we going to have?
2.
2. Very good. All right, guys, good job. All right, so our next part that we're going to work on today, we're going to talk about suffixes. How many of you have ever heard of suffixes before? How many of you have ever heard of suffix? Anybody? Okay. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end. Where does it come? At the end of a root word. Today, we are going to work with suffix ing. Okay? We're going to work with suffix ing. Sometimes when the suffix ing is added, the root word will change and follow a common spelling pattern for many consonant sounds. One syllable, so how many vowel sounds is it going to have?
1.
There you go. With a short vowel sound and a single consonant or one consonant after it, and a single consonant ending change to a double letter spelling at the end when the suffix ing is added. And that's where a lot of our double spellings are going to come in, okay? So we're going to do some practice ones together, and then you guys are going to go back to your seat and you're going to do some on your own, okay? So go on and get out your whiteboard and your marker. We're going to write some of these on our whiteboard, okay? Now we're going to be focusing, friends, on doubling the final consonant when adding ing. So we're going to use our red marker since we're focusing on the consonant sounds, okay? Kevin. All right, here we go. Are you ready? So let's say we have the word robbing. Rob. And we're going to change it to robbing. What do you think we're going to have to do with that B? What are we going to have to do with that B? Sarah?
Add 2 B's.
we're going to have to add another B. We're going to have to double it. So here we go. Are y'all watching? You can write this on your whiteboard. Aw, ing. Okay? We have to double the consonant. Okay? And don't forget ing, ing. Good job. Good job. Good job. Anthony, did you write it, bud? Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay? Shh, 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 shh. Remember, in the other one, are you ready? All right. Sit. Sit. What am I going to have to do with sit? Alexis? I'm going to have to double my T. Right now, you guys are sitting. Sitting. And our double consonant is not up here, but we have gone over that. We went over that yesterday. Okay? Good job, friends. Good job. All right, next one. You ready? Rub. Rub. What am I going to have to do with rub? Chloe. I'm going to have to double my consonant at the end. Very good. So go on and write that. I love our neat handwriting. I can tell you are working very hard on that. Hey, make sure you're adding the ing, baby. Okay? Good job. Hey, don't forget to double your consonant at the end in robbing. Very good, guys. Very good. All right. Nap. Sometimes in the Cat Bandit, he's always what? Napping. So how am I going to go from nap to napping? I'm going to go from nap to napping. Jake? I'm going to have to double the consonant on the end. Good job. Good job, guys. Okay. All right, next one. Oh, let me give everybody a minute. If you will look at me, that will let me know you're ready. What's up, Jordavian? Do you want to do the next one? Go for it. Get.
2 T's.
2. Very good. You're going to double that consonant. Very good. Hold on just a moment. The next one's kind of tricky. Okay, well, I've got some tricky ones up here. Okay, so we're going to think about it for a minute. I'm going to give everybody a minute to get caught up. If you're done, if you will put your eyes on me, that will let me know that you are ready. Very good. Kagan's got his eyes on me. Jordavian, Ireland, Jake. My whole back row. Anthony, are you done, bud? Working? Okay. All right. Let's read this word for me. Let's do this. Kagan.
Check.
Check. Now, I'm going to add ing, checking, like I'm always checking your work. How am I going to spell that? If I add the ing, am I going to make any changes to check? Kaysen, you're shaking your head no. Why do you say no?
Because it is CH.
Right. Am I going to double the CK again?
No.
No, that doesn't really make sense, does it? Alexis? I'm sorry. Kenzie, I'm sorry. We're not, you're thinking. But because we have a short vowel sound and then 2 consonants, we're not going to double it. We're just going to add ing. Okay? Is that what you were going to share, Jordy? Okay? So watch. When you have that short vowel sound and you have the double CK, all you're going to do is add ing. Okay? You only double it if it's the short vowel sound and then 1 single consonant. Okay? Does that make sense? We're going to do one more. Okay. I tell you what, just squeeze it in the best you can. Can you write on the side? I know. Turn it over.
Oh yeah, mine just turned inside.
There you go. Turn it sideways. There we go. All right, we got one more. We got one more, then we're headed back to our seats and you can erase your board. All right, what's this word? Somebody read this word for me. I'm going to pull a stick because y'all have done. Oh, we don't have that number. 15. Who is 15? Gabriel, are you 15? Okay, Gabriel, can you read this word? Smack. 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 Very good. Smack. Now, what am I going to do if I add ing? Am I going to double my CK?
No.
No, Jordavian, what am I going to do? Do you know what I'm going to do?
At the ing
Go ahead.
with no other K.
Very good, no other K. Why am I not doubling that like I did up here? Somebody explain, why am I not doubling that? Ireland?
Because there's two consonants.
There's two consonants after my short vowel. Very good. So I'm just going to add ing. Okay? All right. When you are ready, I want your eyes on me so I can see you. And I know that you're ready. I've got Ireland's eyes, Honora, Alexis, Kinsley.
Oh, I'm running out.
It's okay, bud. It's okay. Okay. Y'all have worked so hard. Very good job writing your words today. Very good job. Very good. There, they have given you some words, just like what we practiced. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Oh, you can open it to this page, okay? All right. They have given you some example words just like we did on the carpet. Now it's time for you to practice on your own. I'm going to give you guys about 8 minutes, and if we need more time, we will, to work on these on your own. If you finish early, what should you do? What should you get out, Kaysen?
You're learning.
Work in your learning folder and just wait quietly while everyone else finishes. You may begin. They have done the first one for you. Look, what did they do to rub? They what? They, Sarah? Well, yeah, they did, but what did they do to rub? They changed it to rubbing. How did they change it to rubbing? What do you notice about that? What do you notice about that? Guys, what did they add? Look at your paper. What'd you say, Jordy?
They added another B.
They doubled our consonants. So you need to go through and you need to read the words and you need to write them adding that ing. Okay? If you need me, I will be around to help. It's just like what we did on the carpet. Okay? Any questions about what you should be doing? Yes, Jordavian?
Put the name in the number.
Oh, yeah. Put your name and your number at the top. Put your name and your number at the top. Put your name. ing. So what are we going to do with that ing? Or what are we going to do with that to add ing? Are we going to double the consonant? Okay. Can you show me how you do that? Show me. Can you write it? Okay. Look. They've already written that there. We're using this word, dab. How are you doing?
Good.
You looking pretty good? Okay, what are we going to do? Da. Da. Okay, rewrite that. You're right. B. Now we're going to put ing on it. What do we have to do though before we put an E? Okay, remember though, when we have a short vowel sound and a single consonant, what do we have to do with that single consonant, bud? What do we have to do with that single consonant? What did they do here in rubbing? Write swim. Go on and write your base word. You know you're going to need that. Give me just a minute. I'll be right with you, okay? Going to write that base word. Now, we're going to have to add the ing at the end, okay? But in order to add the ing, what do we have to do with that? Final.
Add one of these, but I don't know which one.
Add another. You're always going to double the what?
The last one.
All right, then double the last one. Guys, keep working. We've got a couple more minutes. Keep going. Very good. Now, do the next one. Go on and write your base word. Open up to the table of contents in your book. Kenzie, do you not have a book? Here you go. All right, let's look. I know we read the chicken nugget yesterday with a partner. Today we're going to listen to the story and follow along in our book. But before we get to that point, let's look at our table of contents. Can somebody tell me what page is the chicken nugget on? What page is the chicken nugget on? Jordavian?
Page 6.
It is on page 6. So everybody turn to page 6. Okay? Now, what do we know about this cat bandit? What do we know about this cat bandit? What do we know? What do you think about that? Kenzie, what do we know about this cat bandit? He what?
Tried to take a hot dog.
Okay, he's trying to steal a hot dog the first day. Then the second day, what's he trying to steal? What's he trying to steal, Luna?
A chicken nugget.
Oh, a chicken nugget. What are some things that this cat bandit is doing that most cats wouldn't be able to do?
Standing up and stuff.
Make sure our hand is raised. 1, 2. Kinsley?
So he can steal stuff.
Can cats steal stuff?
Yeah.
Remember we talked about Miss Allen's cat yesterday and how it sometimes steals food? Remember we talked about that? But what are some things that this cat does that some cats normally can't do? Honora? Move boxes. Now, can cats climb boxes?
Yes.
Because remember we talked about Miss Allen's cat climbing the cabinets yesterday, didn't we? So cats can climb, but can they move the boxes to climb?
No.
No. What else? Jordavian?
Jumps on the TV and gets the food.
Well, he does. Cats can do that. They can jump up and get food when they want it. Okay? Ireland? No, but yes, cats can jump. They'll surprise you. Sarah? He does. He holds things. Okay, so today we are going to listen to the story, and then we're going to answer some comprehension questions on our own about the story in our book, okay, in our green book. So I want you to make sure that you are on page 6. Make sure you are on page 6. And we are going to follow along. You're going to follow along in your book. Okay, not this book. You can close this for a minute. I've got it clipped. Okay, we'll do the questions afterwards. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
I got to get to page 6. All right, here we go. Listening, following along in your book with your finger. Yes, Jordy?
You don't have my book clip.
It's okay. I'll get it. All right, here we go.
The chicken nugget. Hank set his dish in the sink. He left a big chicken nugget on the dish. The nugget was still hot. The smell of chicken drifted up from the sink. It drifted into the den. The cat bandit was napping in the den, but he was sniffing as he slept. Sniff, sniff, sniff.
Ooh, what are some of those double consonant sound words that we see? Ooh, raise your hand, raise your hand. Ooh, Kennedy, what do you see? Sniff, sniff, sniff. Any other words from our sounds we've talked about this week? Chloe? Shh, shh. What's that word? Napping. Napping. Okay. Gabriel? Sniffing. Excuse me. Sniffing. What about some two-syllable words? Do you guys see any two-syllable words? Ooh, words with those two vowel sounds. Kagan? Do you see a two-syllable word?
Drifted.
Yes, drifted. Any other two-syllable words? Gabriel? Drifted, that's what he had just said. Smell, that's one syllable, okay? Smell. Smell would be what? How many syllables? One. Smell would be one. Drifted would be two. Okay, what else? Any other two-syllable? Jake? Nugget. Good job. Nugget.
I just set my nugget in the dish.
Okay, you set your nugget in the dish. Okay, all right, Kaysen.
Chicken nuggets.
Well, we've already got nugget, but we'll put chicken up here. That's a two-syllable word. Okay, shh, shh. Remember, it's got two vowel sounds. Okay, all right. Kinsey.
Biggest.
Biggest. Very good. All right, let's keep reading. Let's go to the next page. Turn your page. Shh. All right, all eyes on your book. Following along.
The cat bandit sprang up. He ran in and spotted the nugget in the sink. He sat a bit, thinking of a plan.
Where's your book?
He went to the closet and got a bunch of boxes.
I don't have one.
Okay, can
He
you
set up
follow
a
along
box.
with him?
Then he set a big box next to that box. Then he set the biggest box next to the sink. The cat bandit set off running. He ran up the boxes, hopping from box to box. Then, munch, munch, munch. That was the end of the chicken nugget.
Uh-oh. It says that was the end of the chicken nugget. What does that mean? That's the end of it. What does that mean? Talk at your tables. What does that mean? All eyes on me. Who have I not heard from today? Kevin, what does it mean? That was the end of the chicken nugget. He ate it. He ate it, didn't he? It's gone. All right, good job, guys. Any two-syllable words? Any two-syllable words? Go for a hunt. Any two-syllable words? Jordy. Shh. Do what? Spotted. Okay, what else? Whew. Jake. Hopping. That's also one of our double consonant. Luna?
Bandit.
Bandit. Well, we've already got bandit. No, we don't have bandit.
That's what I was going to say.
What else? What else? Jordavian.
Biggest box.
Box would be one syllable because there's one vowel sound. All right, one more. One more. Honora. Running. Okay. I see one word, and I'll give you a hint. It starts with the k sound. That really stuck out to me being two syllables. It's a k sound. Go for a hunt for a two-syllable word that is starts with a k. Kagan, you got it? Okay, yeah, thinking would be two, but I'm looking for that k word that's two syllables. Gabriel? Okay, that's one because that's the one vowel sound. But you're thinking. Kenzie? Closet. Closet. That's the word I saw that had two syllables. All right. Shh. Tomorrow will be the snack mix. Now, here's what I need from you. I need you to, this is our last piece for today. I need you to open up your book to this page right here. Fill in the blanks. I need you to sit at my table. Kennedy, come to my table. Come to my table. Kevin, come to my table. Okay. Come to my table. I need you to read the question about the book. And I want you to answer the questions. Now, number four, you got to write a complete sentence. Okay? You have to write a complete sentence. Now, can you go back in your story and look for the answers? Absolutely. Use your sources. Okay? Shh, shh, shh. Yes, yes. Okay? So go back and read if you need to. Okay? Any questions about what you're doing? If you're at my table, your voice is off. Your voice is off at my table. Okay? All right. Any questions about what you are doing? If you need help, me or Miss Nancy will be by to help you. Okay? Number 1, are you listening? Are you listening? It says, Hank set his dish in the A, sink, B, deck, C, den. I'm only going to read it one time. Okay. Why don't you try number 2 on your own? Why don't you try number 2 on your own?
What's this?
On the dish was a hot dog, chicken nugget, bun. Okay, listen, bud. Hank set his dish in the sink, deck, or den. You don't have to tell me. You can just circle it. Kinsley, good job. Kennedy, look. The cat bandit set a blank next to the sink. A box, a mat, or a rug. Gabriel, the cat bandit. Okay. Now, you're going to have to use a complete sentence, okay? What was the cat bandit doing? What was he doing in the story? All right, look. On the dish was a hot dog, chicken nugget, or bun. Okay. The cat bandit set a blank next to the sink. A box, a mat, or a rug. Good job. What was the cat bandit doing? What was he doing in the story? Ah! All right, look. What was the cat bandit doing? What was he doing in the story? Can you write a good sentence?
Yeah, he was jumping on the...
Okay, write it. Jordavian, what was the cat bandit doing?
I need to have some...
Write it. Do what, bud?
Nugget have 2 G's.
Nugget does have 2 G's. You are correct. All right. What was the cat bandit doing?
He's jumping on the box.
Okay, well then let's put that. He. Do your best job spelling, okay? And I will help you. Are you done? Are you done? Okay.
Yeah.
How do I spell what?
Yeah.
E, but it's going to be an EA. We haven't studied that yet.
I already know that.
Are you done? Name and number and go put it in the reading drawer. Where's your clip? Hold on, Gabriel.
It disappeared.
Hey, what you got? Are you done? What's this say? Can you tell me what it says?
Cat
Was. That says nugget.
didn't. No. I don't know how to see it.
Can you tell me what he was doing?
He was trying to get the nugget.
He was trying to get the nugget. Okay. Can you put your name and number on this for me?
Yeah.
And then go put it in the reading drawer. Very good. Whoop.
And the top.
Yes, baby.
How do you spell cat bandit? What do I do?
Cat bandit.
What do you do when you're done?
It's right there.
Okay.
Turn that into the reading drawer and then go work in your learning folder. What are you trying to say here? What?
He stole the nugget.
He stole the nugget. All right, do the best you can. Listen, sound out your words, okay? If you're done, I need you to work in your learning folder, okay? Oh, dear.